All right, listen up because YouTube just pulled a fast one on all of us. And if you're still posting videos like it's 2022, you're about to get left behind harder than that kid who still says YOLO unironically. YouTube is now testing AI overviews in search results, which means their shiny new robot overlords are now picking out the best parts of your videos to shove in people's faces when they search. And you don't control it. You don't even get a heads up. They just do it. But have no fear because today I am giving you 3 ways you can fix your content strategy and dodge this bullet like Neo. Now sure, you might be thinking, well that sounds nice, more exposure, easier discovery. Yeah, and curtain bangs sounded nice too. And how'd that work out? Because here's the deal. AI overviews could highlight your best moment, or they could yank a random clip of you blinking awkwardly and declare that your most helpful content. YouTube says they're mainly testing this with product searches like best noise-canceling headphones and location-based searches such as museums to visit in San Francisco right now. But if you think it's gonna stop there, I've got a bridge, a gently used juicer, and a subscription to Blockbuster Video to sell you. This is the future, my dude. Adapt or get run over by it. So to keep you from falling into YouTube obscurity faster than a Flophouse scandal, here are 3 ways you can fix your strategy before the robots embarrass you. First, you want to think like a headline, not a Hallmark card. If your video takes 47 seconds to finally get to the point, you're dead in the water. You need to come out swinging, fast, clear, useful. Every intro should basically slap the AI in the face and scream, "This is what this video's about." Timestamp your sections. Create clear segments, and don't ramble like you're narrating your own hostage tape. Second, optimize like you're explaining it to a golden retriever. Make it obvious what your video is about, in your title, your description, even how you speak. If AI is scanning your video for Best Barbecue Grills 2025 and all it hears is you rambling about your neighbor's dog for 6 minutes, congrats, you just became unhelpful content. So be specific, use keywords naturally. And for the love of dry rub, stop using vague titles like My Thoughts on Stuff unless you want to be buried faster than a bad first date story. Third, create highlight moments on purpose. Don't just hope the AI grabs your best part, feed it your best part on a silver freaking platter, say bold, helpful sentences that sound like a smart snippet, drop knowledge bombs, create mic drop moments. Because guess what? AI isn't deep. It's not watching your entire 15-minute masterpiece with a box of tissues like it's the series finale of The Office. It's scanning for quick, easy wins. Because to win in this new AI world, it isn't about being scared of AI. It's about using it like the tool it is. And by tool, I mean helpful, not dumb. Please don't punish me, oh great and powerful AI overlord. So you can either panic and whine about how unfair it is, or adapt like the badass content creator you are, or want to be. Your choice, my friend. So pivot hard like you are moving a couch, and maybe, just maybe, you'll teach the AI how to actually put some respect on your name. Are you an agency, SEO professional, independent contractor, or small to medium business? PosiRank is your ultimate solution for SEO management. With intuitive automation tailored to your needs and A+ link building, we've got you covered. Let's boost your online presence and drive impressive ROI together. So head on over to posirank.com and join the community today.